Welcome everyone to Supply Chain. Today we're going to be talking about service processes, and we have a question here from the book, question number 25, and I've done the parts A to C, and I'm going to explain them in this video, and then in the next video I'm going to explain parts D and E. So for part A, we're going to calculate the capacity utilization rate. And here it asks us to calculate the percentage utilization of the graduate students. We have a graduate student here who's working an 8-hour shift, and 4 students per hour are coming to him. This is the demand in a business sense, and this is the capacity. And so now we know that the mu, which is the capacity, is 6 students per hour, and that's because the assistant time averages 10 minutes per student, so we know that he can serve 6 students per hour. So that's his capacity, how many students he can serve per hour. So to calculate the utilization, the capacity utilization rate, we have to divide lambda by mu, which is 4/6, and gives us 66% percentage or probability that the graduate student is busy answering the student's questions. And also on a side note, to calculate the time that the graduate student is free, we can do 1 minus the capacity utilization rate, which is going to be 1 minus 0.66. It's going to give us 0.34, which is 34%. So we know that he is free 34% of the time. And next, we're going to talk about the part B. We're going to talk about part B, and here we're calculating the average number of customers or students here in the system. And so to do that, we use this formula here. This L is representing the number, and here this S stands for system, technically. And so here we have lambda and mu minus lambda, 4, and then 6 minus 4, which is 4/2. We have 2. 2 is the average number of customers in the system. Finally, C is this is time in the system. Time in the system. So here we have to take the average number of customers or students in the system and divide it by lambda. So to do this, to calculate the average time it takes to serve, it takes for the student to be served in the system, to go through the system essentially, we have to calculate the average number of students in the system before. So we use this number and we put it here. And then we're left with 2/4, which gives us 0.5, which is the average waiting time in the system. This is hours, 0.5 hours, so it's essentially 30 minutes. And so here we are finished with A, B, and C, and in the next video I'll be showing you D and E. Thank you for watching.